What's up, everybody? Hello and welcome back to VA Outdoorsman. Ricky Graham here speaking. Got out here to the creek just a little bit ago, do some trout fishing. I'm gonna throw my Berkeley's minnow 2.5 inch watermelon gold. Right there's what I'll be fishing with on a dart head jig. Stay tuned, let's get to fishing, see if we catch us anything. Fish on. Man, that's a big one too. Oh wow. Yes sir. I finally hooked that fish. Oh man, that's a nice one too. Oh my God. Yes sir, buddy. Let's go wherever you want to go. I think it's a brookie, y'all. Yes sir. Dude, it's a brook trout up here in oh wow. Dude, this is a big brook trout too. Oh my word. Oh yes, that's a Citation brookie too, buddy. Yes, caught that off of Berkeley's minnow. I'm so sorry, y'all. I didn't mean to cut off the camera. Right there's what I cut them off of. 2.5 inch watermelon pearl, Berkeley's minnow. Off a dart head jig. Oh my God, y'all. Let me give him a little drink of water real quick. I'm pretty sure this is Citation brookie. And it came out of Goose Creek, Floyd County. Oh wow. Look at that brook, y'all. Yes sir, it's Citation for dang sure, buddy. Wow. Man, you're beautiful. This is the second brook I've gotten a net, third one I've landed since they've stocked up here. They don't put brookies in, but y'all can see this is a brook trout and a beautiful stud. I'm gonna get him back in the water real quick. Beautiful, y'all. Check him out. Wow. I know it's Citation, y'all. Let's get him back in the water. Fish on. What? Dude, this is a even bigger brook trout. What? No. Yes, sir, baby. Wow. This is the third brookie I've caught up here in Goose Creek. Oh my word. Oh my God, dude, I landed him in the net. Yes, 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 yes. Woo. I love y'all. My word, baby. You're a giant. Wow, wow, man, I'm shaking like crazy. Ah. This fish is barely even hooked in the top of the lip too. And my jig is twisted. I have no minnow left on it. Oh God, oh God, oh God, I'm shaking. I'm so sorry, y'all. I am pumped. I grew up in this town and they don't put brookie in here. They've only put rainbow and brown for years. And just the other day, I caught a brookie. And then just now, I caught a brookie. And then just now, I caught another brookie. And this is another Citation brookie. I know this is another Citation. This is a giant. Oh my word. This is probably the biggest one I've ever caught brook wise. Dude, you're so beautiful. Thank you. Thank you. Oh wow. Look at the fins on that thing, y'all. I want to get a better picture of them. And then I'll turn them loose. That is a stud. A stud brookie, y'all. Beautiful. Thank you, big girl. She's back healthy and happy. Yes! Woo! Oh wow, fish on, y'all. Oh, it's a nice one too. Oh man, come here, buddy. Oh, now you're in the rapids. That's going to make it even harder. Oh wow, dude. Oh my God, they put a brookie. They put a brookie in Goose Creek. What? This is awesome, man. This is a big old fat brook too. What? Yeah. I've never caught a, I mean, I have caught brookies, but I've never caught a brook out of Goose Creek. Oh, whoa, bud. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on, buddy. Stop. Finally got it out, man. I'm so sorry, fish. Now I'm shaking like crazy. This is awesome, dude. Caught that off of Joe's fly brown hackle. All right, pliers, get off my fingers. Dude, that's a big Citation brookie. In Goose Creek, Floyd County. They don't stock brookies in here, but I guess it was on the truck. So they just put it on in the river. Dude, that is beautiful. Big old Citation brookie. Yes, sir, baby. First cast in this hole. Look at the, whoa. Whoa, buddy, hold on. Look at the cup. All right, give you a little bit more water. All right, look at the colors on that thing. Beautiful, beautiful brookie. Thank you, buddy. I'm gonna put you back. There he goes. Beautiful brook trout.